There's something about the YouTube community that just feels like they really care about you. They really care about your growth, and that is a beautiful thing to have.
To see like-minded creators and people who have been through what you've been through, people who are going through what you're going through, and being able to share that, it's what helps the whole ecosystem of YouTube work.
You are like growing with like a community behind you. It's like a family. It's amazing and I love it.
Collaboration and getting out there and meeting new people, I would put that at the top of my personal list as a content creator, and the United View's almost mission statement.
I think when it comes to collaboration, I like to keep it very organic. Like I would say find creators that you genuinely support and love for whatever reason that might be. It might be you just love their cooking, like whatever it is. Just comment on their stuff, support it, repost it, reshare it, like whatever you want to do to better support them. And that's how you find that collaboration just come. They just gravitate towards you naturally.
Rolling.
I know what it's like when you're just starting and you're trying to get hold of bigger channels, you're trying to get hold of people who've been in the space longer than you to get yourself out there. You kind of get dejected sometimes. Not that you should, but you do. So I always try to help content creators come together and create something special.
Patricia Bright, that was like a dream come true. Like I watched Patricia Bright from when I was in school. So, you know, being able to like have her in my home, on my sofa, crazy.
Being able to collaborate with people, whether it's in gaming, whether it's you do lifestyle vlogs, whether you do reviews on products, it doesn't matter what it is. I guarantee you if you added that extra chink into your armor, that extra string to your bow, your content could do even more.
Putting it out there. Kim Kardashian's gonna sit on my sofa and we're gonna have a deep dive interview. Absolutely. Unless you're living under a rock, you know that Shorts is going crazy right now and you would be nuts to not be tapping into it.
Those videos get traction because, excuse the pun, they are short. It's because they are quick, punchy, to the point.
It really attracts a different kind of audience. Like I'm noticing, you know, through the people who are commenting and liking the Shorts videos that I'm putting out, I'm like, okay, didn't know you would enjoy my content, but you do, so let's go.
What works really well for football content is celebrations and capturing that raw emotion in games. We get to stadiums, we'll post, we've just arrived, here's what we've got coming up, and here's what you can look forward to. Bang, somebody just scores, here's the reaction from inside the stadium, short 30 seconds, bang, get it out.
Shorts opens you up to a whole new audience.
We've definitely seen the views go up, the engagement go up. Well-being is massive, and you know what? I'm not afraid to admit, actually, it's something I actually need to still keep improving on, because I'm in this bubble, right? And you forget to take time out for yourself. You forget to take time out in terms of asking how other people are and being there for them.
One thing I know that that helps me a lot is journaling. When you're writing and you've expressed how you feel, it's like you've actually gotten rid of the emotion and now you are looking at it maybe from like a different lens.
So things that I do, just spending time with loved ones and friends and doing fun stuff away from football. No football talk. Not because we're not very good right now, just because I just need a break. So I think that's really important.
There's been so many moments when I've journaled and I've read my journal back and I'm like, for me, that was really dramatic. Like there's no need for that. I like to separate my mornings from like the rest of my day. That's kind of where I come up with like my best ideas and like thinking about, you know, what is next for me.
Complacency puts you in big trouble, especially in this game. You know, just stay true to yourself, always be innovative.
Come up with like new ideas and just keep flowing and growing.
I just keep thinking of new ways we can push the boundaries. How can I do things that haven't been done before? And so far we've managed to do that.
The community of other creators is amazing because, you know, you're able to get inspiration. They are sharing their creativity and they're letting their creativity be heard.
Being able to bounce ideas off each other, learn off each other, grow off each other. Essentially, it's what keeps us going.